Hello world, welcome back to another CTFGuide write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the forensics challenge, Excel-lently Hidden. Let's get into it. Find the flag in the Excel file. So if you boot the terminal, you'll get this flag Excel file here. I have it over here on the right. First thing we're going to do is actually extract the file out, because Office files can be extracted just as any other kind of zip or other archive file. So we're going to use 7-zip to do that, and we'll do extract here. Then we're going to open up our Excel file and bring that over here. We'll click Enable Editing, and I'll zoom in a little bit so we can see it better. Over here on the left, you're going to notice what appears to be the characters of our flag, but they're scrambled. Now, we could sit here and try to guess what the flag is going to say, but maybe we can look around inside of the source files of our Excel file to see if it gives us any leads on how to unscramble these. So we're going to look inside this Excel folder right here, and we're going to open up this calcchain.xml file. Now, it's a pretty standard XML file. What you can do to format it is Shift-Alt-F, and if you don't have a formatter for XML, you can go to Extensions and look up one, and select one that has some kind of XML formatting you can use. Once again, the keyboard combination that you want to press is Shift-Alt-F to automatically format it. Now, if you look close here, it looks like this is referring to our A column right here. And then it's giving a different order for the indices of the cell values. Let's take a look at the first one. A4 is a closing curly brace, which would be the end of our flag format. That being the case, this is probably the order of our flag, but upside down. So all we need to do is essentially paste this ordering over here, but have each of the cell values in B equal to the cell values of A as they are in this order. That being said, we're going to grab this and we're going to open up a new file. We're going to paste that here. We're going to clean it up and have it the way we want it to so that we can actually reference these values over here in the A column. And in order to do that, we just need an equals symbol in front of these cell indices. So we're going to do Control H for find and replace. We're going to do everything up until the A, like so, and then make sure to select regular expression. And then we're going to replace that with equals A, like so. Then we're going to do double quote dot star, which will get everything after the second double quote here from the cell indice. And we'll replace that with nothing. Now all we have to do is take this, copy that, and paste it into the B column right here, like so. And it'll automatically resolve those characters for us. If you select on each of the cells, you can see the formula up here, which matches the order of the formula that's here. And if I go ahead and reformat this so you can actually see it better, you'll notice that it is indeed our CTFGuide flag format, but upside down. So we're going to copy that, and we're going to open up CyberChef. We're going to paste that in as input. We're going to do a replace, like so. And we're going to replace the new lines with nothing. And then we're going to do a reverse. And there's our flag, which isn't readable. So we're just going to copy that, paste it in, and submit. All right. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.